powerful explosions in Mariupol late on the evening of July 12th were caused by a strike on the military base of Ramzan Kadyrov's units, located on the grounds of Ilyich Iron and Steel Works. The city mayor's advisor, Petro Andriushchenko, reported on Telegram. According to preliminary data, the wounded were secretly taken away in the direction of Russian-occupied Donetsk. This may indicate their serious condition. We are looking into the details, Andriushchenko added. At the same time, the Russian occupation authorities claimed that air defense systems were working over the city. And Voronezh in Russia is under attack. Doubtful this has anything to do with Ukraine. Appears to be internal Russian developments. The Voronezh 45 nuclear military facility captured by Wagner PMC during the coup is in the area. There are reports that a convoy of Wagner troops and vehicles has left a camp in Belarus and are heading in the direction of Moscow. The Wagner convoy is accompanied by police units and faces an uncertain reception back in Russia. Vladimir Putin does not forget or forgive. But a man who calls himself a Wagner field commander, callsign Berserk, recorded a video thanking supporters of the terrorist group and stating that everything is just beginning for Wagner, who is ready for global events and turmoil. He seems to be hinting at having a good rapport with a unit that got stuck on the way to Rostov, which is likely to be the Akhmat unit.
Добрый день всем. Я полевой командир ЧВК «Вагнер». Мой позывной «Берсерк». Мы находимся в братской Беларуси, под Осиповичами. От лица Совета полевых командиров я хочу сказать всем павшим духом, что это все только начало, все только начинается. Наш марш справедливости показал очень много интересного. Не говоря прямо, скажу лишь косвенные вещи, что определенное формирование Министерства обороны, которое якобы застряло в пробке, все-таки приехало в Ростов. В первые минуты их командир, очень порядочный офицер, нашел диалог с нашим ратибором. Мы пришли к очень интересным выводам, которые зачеркивают некоторые наши минувшие разногласия. Поэтому знайте, что среди ваших верных пехотинцев есть наши единомышленники. Вместе мы сила. Поэтому готовы обрадовать многих наших сторонников. Друзья, все только начинается. ЧВК «Вагнер» и его путь далеко еще не окончен. Мы готовы к глобальным событиям и потрясениям, которые ждут нашу страну и всех нас с вами. Спасибо вам, кто нас поддерживал. Спасибо, что вы были с нами. Вместе мы сила. Аминь.
Ukraine's 53rd Brigade, named after Prince Volodymyr Monomakh, destroyed 9 Russian IFVs during an attempted Russian breakthrough that failed. A mass fight occurred in a military camp near Moscow. According to Russian media reports, Contract soldiers arrived at the military unit expecting to be sent to the front lines in Ukraine soon. One of the soldiers provoked displeasure of the elders by leaving the camp to shop. First, he was beaten up by members of a reconnaissance unit and military police. Later, they also attacked soldiers from the artillery battalion. As a result, a contract soldier from Siberia died. Russian APC in Bakhmut stepped on a mine. Television broadcasting in the Krasnoyarsk region and Yekaterinburg was hacked. Several channels, including Channel 1 and Zvezda, showed footage of the ballet Swan Lake and a video with Ukrainian soldiers, at the end of which the inscription, "The time of reckoning has come," in Ukrainian appeared.
Сильно, да? Ой, вот это вас все ждет, да? Что это не мы включили. Это видно. Это не надо больше.
А другие каналы?
Так тут не федеральные.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.